Hey there, friends, welcome back. Today we're going to create an adorable cat drawing in just 5 simple steps. But before we get started, I have something special for you. Check out the link in the description to visit my store, where you can find an amazing collection of hand-drawn cat coloring pages. These cute and quirky illustrations feature cats in all sorts of fun scenarios, from an astronaut cat exploring space to a snorkeling cat discovering underwater worlds. There's even a skateboarding cat, a drummer cat, and so much more. Don't miss out. Head over and grab your set today. All right, let's jump in. First, we'll draw a simple oval shape for our cat's head. Imagine this as the base that will bring our cute cat to life. Next, let's add the body. Draw a simple U shape beneath the head. This will form the torso and legs later on. Think of it as laying down the foundation. Now, let's give our cat some character by adding 2 large circles inside the head for the eyes. Fill them in with black, leaving a little white space for that cute, shiny look. Just below the center of the head, draw a small circle for the nose. Then, create a cute W shape beneath it for the mouth. Add some whiskers and little triangle ears on top to complete the face. Finally, let's finish off by drawing 4 lines at the bottom of the U shape for the legs. Add a little curved line for the tail. And there you have it, a simple yet charming cat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. And remember, for the full guide and more awesome coloring pages, head over to my website linked in the description. Happy drawing!